What is it, YouTube? Today we'll be changing both tires on actually two bikes, but they're the same bike. It's this little bike right here. There's one outside. It's a Motrac MOTRAC MX 125. I'm thinking it's some Chinese version of the Grom. I'm not entirely sure. I gotta do a little bit more research on it, but I will be changing both tires on both bikes today. So let's get started. Change the tires on that bike first, and then the next one outside, and let's do this. Now, this one, you're going to need two wrenches. You need a 17 for the nut side and a 14 mil wrench or ratchet or something on the other side. Hold the axle from spinning. Get nut off. Is that a washer? Now, I don't know if you can see, put my foot underneath the tire, trying to help support it. There we go. Let's take the drive hub out. Little rubber isolators. Let's go do the front. On the front here, it has a pinch bolt on the other side, holding the axle from spinning. So you just take your 17, loosen this nut up, and a washer that goes with it, then a 10 millimeter. Videos, kind of twist it, open the pads up, and kind of roll it out. Alright, now the other side, I'm just going to loosen up the pinch bolt on the axle, which is a 6 millimeter Allen. This piece right here is getting in the way from me getting a straight shot. And with Allens, you want to make sure you get that bit in there nice and as deep as you can get. Now you don't have to take this bolt all the way out. Just loosen it up so it doesn't clamp down on the wheel. Take your lower nut, back her out. Then there is a speed sensor on the other side of this wheel. I'll show you that when I go to put it back on. Alright, there you go. Let's change the tires. Alright guys, now let's put the wheels back on. It seems like this front wheel, the speed sensor pickup, it doesn't have any tabs or anything like that. So I'll put the wheel spacer in on the other side. I'm assuming it's like some kind of magnetic pickup with magnets in here, and some kind of pickup deal on this. Now there is like a notch, a slot right here, then there's a little tab on the inside of the fork that has to go in between this to keep this from wanting to rotate too much. I'll kind of show that here in a sec. Slide that sensor on. Make sure the tab goes in the right spot. Alright. Now you see that little tab right there? See how it keeps it from rotating too much and then pulling on the cable. So, let's go to the other side. It's a brand new bike, so the brake pads are new. This customer didn't like the stock tires, which I don't blame them. A lot of times on these little bikes, the stock tires are pretty garbage. These putting some Dunlops on here, which will be 100 times better than what was on here. Even the Groms and the Kawasaki Z125, I believe they're called, they're garbage. The tires that come stock now. The cool thing is they make some knobby tires that go on these bikes. You know, watch it, especially with these Chinese bikes. You can't be. These things don't need a whole lot of torquing. On the other side of the axle, there is an Allen head, which, let's see if it's this size. Yep, an 8mm. Which I'm able to hold by my hand. So, there you go. Tighten down that pinch bolt. These pinch bolts don't need to be super tight. Nice and snug. Like I said, and on top of that, this being Chinese. Yeah, so let's do the back. Spin it, make sure it spins free. Pump the brakes up. Alright. Now let's do the rear. Let's see. There's a spacer right here. Then you put your rubber isolators in. Spacer inside of here, make sure that's in there. Sprocket hub, a couple love taps. Now, stick her in, eh? Grab your chain. Make sure it's not in gear. Situate. Get the pads over the rotor. Get that tab. There's a tab on the caliper bracket that goes in a slot. Put that in there. I'd show you, but I've already got it all lined up. Put your chain on your sprocket. There we go. Now, stab your axle. Ta-da. Make sure that tab's still in there. Chinese stuff you need. Don't be torquing the hell out of it. Give it a spin, it spins. Alright, there you go. Pump the back brakes up, take it for a test ride, alright? Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I did 2 of them, knocked them out in hour and a half flat. I mean, probably would have been less if I wasn't videoing. So everything went pretty smooth. That last one gave me a little fuss on that back tire, but none that I couldn't handle. So basically these things are like Grom, the Honda Grom clones, Chinese versions. So, but if you have any questions or comments down below, like this video if you like it, and then also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.